Volvo V60 T6 Inscription Twin-Engine Volvo's Advanced Safety and Driving Support Function IntelliSafe Active Safety Volvo's Advanced Automatic Damage Reduction Brake City Safety uses advanced millimeter-wave radar and digital cameras to detect danger and warn the driver. When a danger of collision is detected, the automatic brake damage reduction is activated to avoid the collision or reduce the damage. The operating speed range of city safety is 4-200 km per hour. The pedestrian cyclist detection function is 4-70 km per hour. If the driver does not operate the brakes due to the danger of collision with a preceding vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist, the automatic damage reduction brake will operate with the maximum braking force. If the speed difference between your vehicle and the vehicle in front is 60 km per hour or less, 45 km per hour or less for pedestrians, 50 km per hour or less for cyclists, assists in avoiding collision, and if the speed difference is larger than that, we will reduce collision damage. The large animal detection function is a support function, and depending on the situation, large animals may not be detected. For example, large animals with parts of their body hidden, large animals in front of or behind them, fast-moving large animals, and small animals such as dogs and wild boar deer cannot be detected. The smallest detectable animal size depends on height, build and contour. Intersection support, oncoming vehicle detection function when turning right. Monitor the movement of oncoming vehicles while trying to make a right turn at an intersection, and if it is predicted that there is a high risk of collision with oncoming vehicles, automatic damage reduction braking will be performed, operated to avoid collision with oncoming vehicles at the intersection. In such a situation, the vehicle has no time to detect the danger and perform the operation to avoid the collision. Therefore, the collision warning is issued and the full brake is activated at the same time. Steering support, collision avoidance support function. The steering support function is a safety technology that automatically supplements the steering operation and helps avoid obstacles when collision cannot be avoided only by automatic damage reduction braking. If the driver's steering operation is insufficient to avoid obstacles, the steering operation will be automatically assisted to ensure an appropriate amount of operation. At the same time, it activates the brakes on the front and rear inner wheels to assist you in safely performing emergency avoidance operations. Oncoming lane mitigation, oncoming lane collision avoidance support function. Collision with an oncoming vehicle approaching the own vehicle when unintentionally deviating from the own lane and crossing the center line and entering the oncoming lane when it is judged that there is a high degree of risk. The steering assist is automatically corrected to quickly return to the original lane and assists in collision avoidance. ACC Adaptive Cruise Control. With all vehicle speed tracking function automatically adjusts the distance to the vehicle ahead and accelerates, crosses, decelerates, or stops automatically according to the traffic flow. With the speed set as the upper limit, it reduces the fatigue of long-distance driving. When the preceding vehicle decelerates and stops, it follows and stops behind the preceding vehicle to maintain the brake operating state. If you indicate the intention to overtake by operating the blinker while following the preceding vehicle at a vehicle speed of over 70 km per hour, you also have the overtaking assist function that temporarily accelerates the vehicle and supports smooth overtaking. Equipped with a number of safety equipment, pilot assist, lane keeping support function, with all vehicle speed tracking function, LKA, lane keeping aid, LCMA, lane change merge aid, RSI, road sign information, DAC, driver alert control, park assist pilot, parallel parking assist function, assists parking by automatically performing steering operations on behalf of the driver. When it detects that there is a space available for parking, the center display and LCD driver display indicate the start of automatic steering. The driver can check the safety of the surroundings, completely remove his/her hand from the steering wheel, operate the brakes, accelerator and shift lever to park. In addition to parallel parking, it is also possible to enter the garage at a right angle and start from parallel parking. 360 degrees view camera creates a bird's eye image as if you were looking down at your vehicle from above, and displays the situation around your vehicle on the 9-inch center display on the dashboard. You can park your car easily and safely because you can see the presence of obstacles all around the vehicle.